Hi, Sard, and everyone at Forex Beginners Academy. My name is Byron Melbourne, and I just wanted to talk to you about my experiences with Forex so far and how it has changed my life. So I've been for a few months now wanting to find, financial freedom, wealth, and build sources of income, but I could really never find a skill where you could do it without having to invest a lot of money. I tried drop shipping for a little bit, and that just ate through all of the money I had. So I was really looking for a skill where I didn't have to invest a lot of money, but the return could be magnificent. And that's where I came to find your program. And immediately from the first video, I knew that this is what I wanted to learn and get better at, and believe that I can make an income through this that can last a lifetime. And so far, it has helped me tremendously in shaping a path and direction with a proven system to reach financial freedom. Every single video I have learned so much. It's something very new, from trend lines to Fibonacci retracement to moving averages, and most importantly, I think for everyone, is the risk management and the stop losses, learning about those and how to be responsible. So it has given me skills to look at a blank chart and immediately know what to look for when marking it up. So yeah, it has been amazing, and I think what is most amazing about the program is the access to the student group, and immediately having feedback on what I've provided, and Saad personally himself marking up your charts and providing you with valuable feedback, as well as other members doing the same. The group is such a positive place to be around, as every single person inside it is sharing the same goals and the same vision. It really is amazing, and I would more than recommend this program to anybody wanting financial freedom and earning an income and a skill that can last you a lifetime. So I can't wait. My journey is just beginning. I can't wait to continue it, and thank you again for all your help.